After a very long time, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Saya Joy, kopi cup akan apa yun krugi pula. Sita kopulu jo. Video le lang nga. Pinangan ajir giting pit, ajir giting cut kali lo. Okay, cek lo na ge playing tu pun. Ne video langji pomat si impu ak lo YouTube si taglong lo isi lamarjan so a trailer. Lasi lang lo nang lapen pidam lo nang review. Well, nede helo sot kuru la sineman per goi tang dom phand lamthe apuru. Lasi isona lamarjan so klang rapu YouTube along. Maybe full video ta haibon. That means full movie ta haibon. Alamarjan so men ke kachong hong. Kachong hong ong sine ta ke start lu. Video lo pomat asitin ke kang naga phan kali. Ason penason ke kaciru panda pidikang nang la ne video comment section along nang video ke lang pen ke nek time tung te bertum he maybe you should take yourself to the dental. Wow, what a great video. Ne video quality la bang la ke BKF borko karbi film hi pensi la bang so ala marjan so ke pe klang ponji akang thim Koson kupiji ne, let's see the trailer.
Ninut, dekat apa?
Alam perjalanan terlalu lang mungkin la pancing dam la pen la pancing dam mune, but let me crack. La bangso a video a sound quality bang masap so kom hek di tahai mate a si bi hek di tahai athe abana phone bang heno dak manon la kimia device no mangke la person headphone a jack bang avedet microphone a jack bang avedet la sinon wireless microphone se order tang la bang kelije phan apor nang chatla. So adjust yourself. It is just only my predictions, it might be wrong. Labang so alamarjan long winners lapen junaki si lead actor long bang amendul. La si labang so alamarjan athola ke lang pen katida mateng pro tangte love story based movie. Bihek pen kaching hon akang hon atomu. Maybe arlo so hina bang masapsu plang muchot ta haji la so pot si chadon don dede.
Te.
Alamarjan atomu pang la pancing nam pamete khedet athe atrailer long a dialogue in archen. Jong si atrailer long e thethini ba dialogue o muchot po sante masasu pang ko jinam thu muchedala. Kalang ta hypo bon actress bang actor phando long lik puta hypo la supena join si actress bang theng piaru de long akeng pajangrui. It's very sad to hear that actress debut film long amat si thilot ke adu kavel bang sola marjan long che parjan bang phubam hitum do ansita me ke join dun mi side de la even me too. So let wait and watch. According to the source and their descriptions, the movie will be released in the month of February this year. But it is March now. Like a long form movie, not only for YouTube. Lapen, the movie will release all over West Caribbean. Atlana klangkle pen ciklonia prang pen lun pen si baklang waret. Wait. Jongsi a trailer le 7 February si klang plotang te 1 2 3 4 5 February koson se ka release pala marja. This is according to your description. Joe Biden Lunang. This is also one of my favorite song. Muning aseng kanta la busong tak a February check lo ke wang thu lang po. Don't worry. Wang so lam pen jingil pakai is on alarm marjan to lang. Let lun pen lun se release re. Telang ke thelong pu ke pu bom sta non anta thelong lela. Ki pu ke chugedam tang no me bora check lo si telang thelong ji pu. Si tamen no adarang lela. Non si Mars lang po jo. La bang solo marjani kajulu matenke the story is very unique and interesting. La selapson story I had never heard before. And la bang solo marjan la ke Kiri and we'll talk more about this later on. I hope you guys get my point and enough for tonight.